This is Bob in the mountains.
Yes, it is.
All right, shall we continue on?
Absolutely.
We are going to be taking side-by-sides out tomorrow, and we're going to get muddy. I'm going to bring you with me, so hang out. All right, guys, here we go. We're going on the first time ever in a side-by-side. This ought to be fun. First time doing it.
Hey, it's a good thing I got it here too. But all right. All right, going through. Hey, it's a good thing I saw this, huh? It's fun. Chicken?
Holy. I spent half the day waiting for you to catch up.
Alright, for my first time, I think I'm doing pretty fucking good.
I think it's fucking awesome. I love it.
Hey, what's the matter, Colonel Sanders? Chicken?
Yeah, right?
Come on, let's go! Let's call me Pigpen. Hannah, I think you should, right? I came out here to get...
Look at me.
Look at me. And I've been recording 360 the whole time.
Is it money?
Money? No. This is Bob in the Mountains.
Yes, it is.
All right, shall we continue on?
All right, we just got back from our side-by-side wheeling action, mud bogging. As you can see, this thing is disgusting. It is filthy. A big shout out to Eagle ATV Rentals. Boy, these machines did not fail us. I had great time. Mel had a great time. I don't know how much we got on the 360 because all I did was hit record and forgot all about it and left it on. So as you can see, we got some mud, and boy did we have some fun. All right guys, tonight is bike night and we're going to be over there at Cole Harley Davidson for the bike night. And yeah, first I got a shower and change. I'm disgusting, but we had a great time. So hang out. We still got more to come here. Mobbing the Mountains 2026. And boy, do we mob these mountains with these side-by-sides with Big Mike and I.